Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. Today is our first session and I will continue updating this sheet as we go. There are no hard and fast rules for how you will learn, and I wouldn't be focusing too much on video editing because the real purpose here is to teach you valuable SEO knowledge, not to spend all our time in video editing. Let me tell you, in the first phase, I will explain the theory. In the second phase, I will show you everything practically. And in the third phase, you will be able to ask your question in the comments. And I will make a dedicated video answering all of them. If anyone has any topic related question, please drop them in the comments. The goal is to clear up your confusion and help build a strong relationship between us. Okay? Before starting the course, let me clarify. Only those people should join who genuinely want to learn something real. There are two important things I expect from you. First one is the aggressive approach. Always stay ahead. If I teach you something through AZ Services online channel, don't limit yourself to just that. Go beyond. Search and learn as much as possible. Keep going until your task is fully done. Don't give up easily. And the second one is stay motivated. Don't just start with excitement and lose momentum. As time passes or the workload increases, if you get stuck on something small, search it. Don't say, I can't do this. Try to grab and absorb as much as you can. Reach out to professionals. In simple terms, stay consistent. Inshallah, you will definitely learn something valuable. You only need to give 1 hour on Sunday to attend the class. If you truly want to learn, remind yourself we waste a lot of time on useless things. Why not invest that same time in something meaningful? So I hope my message is clear. This lecture is for those who seriously want to do something in life. See you in the next video, inshallah.